10 years ago, the Marathi industry's movie, guys, it's a brilliant, guys. And guys, you also watch the unique types of Marathi movies. You watch in YouTube, also available, guys, YouTube watch. And I now I focus on one thing. This movie is a Japanese movies, the Demon Slayer movies, and this movie used to the some Indian messages, Indian religious messages in these movies. Some dialogue, it's the belief system and like the Bhagavad Gita's words. It take the Bhagavad Gita's words and used to the his movies, and he says some dialogue. Then I realized. So guys, welcome back to my vlog. So guys, now I started my vlog, and guys, now I go to our Jalna Neelam Cineplex theater because I watch to the Demon Slayer anime movie. Yes guys, our Jalna Neelam theater place and the Demon Slayer movie was now. I think yesterday was coming our Jalna theater, the Demon Slayer movie, and guys, now I go to the today. This movie was watched. So stay to my vlog. And so guys, now welcome back in my vlog. So guys, now I am come to our Neelam Cineplex to the watching Demon Slayer movie, guys. Now everybody knows the Demon Slayer movie anime. Demon Slayer anime is a Japanese anime, and guys, this movie Demon Slayer movie was now in our Jalna's theater. I think yesterday was released in our Jalna's theater. I am come to our Jalna's Neelam Cineplex, and there had now. They are now has starting to the Demon Slayer movie. And guys, back time we are come to the watching Mahavatar Narsimha movie, guys. The Mahavatar Narsimha is an Indian movie, guys, Indian animation movie. And I see the first time the animation movie in a theater, and it's a great experience, guys. The animation movie. And I think we are goes to the our Jalna's Bhaktadi Cineplex. And now I come to the here this cinema, Jalna's Neelam Cineplex. And here I watching first time Japanese anime, the Demon Slayer movie. And everybody know it. What is the Demon Slayer? It's a famous anime of Jalna. It's a famous anime of Japan, and it's a very big franchise, guys. The Demon Slayer movie has a movie, web series, and I think it show has a Demon Slayer movie. And I know the Demon Slayer movie, but I can't watch this movie and this anime, guys. But I know it's a Demon Slayer, it's a movie. And guys, now I first time watched the Demon Slayer movie in a big screen. This is my first experience of the Japanese anime, guys. And I'm excited because the Japanese anime style, it's a unique, guys. And first time Japanese anime style we watch the big screen. And it's a great experience, guys. And I think 3 p.m. show was started, and I think 10 minutes left to starting this movie. And only 6 people come to here to see the movie. But I don't know how many comes to watch the Demon Slayer movie, because here is the so many movies was continued at one time. Here is a 2 screen, and one screen has a Demon Slayer movie, and one screen has another movie, and another movie which movie is another I don't know, guys. But now I see the my screen, our Demon Slayer's movie. How many people come to see this movie? And guys, it's now the unique experience. So stay tuned in my vlog. And so guys, this side now some Bollywood movies and some Marathi movie was staring now this side. Means I think Jolly LB 3 was upcoming, and now it's a Marathi movie one act, the Dashavatar movie, guys. And I see that this movie's trailer, and I fully guys surprised of see this trailer of this movie. And guys, I see the unique movie, guys, because this trailer type of I think this movie based on Lord Arjuna's 10 Avatar. And I see this trailer, and now guys I will surprise to see the Marathi industry movies. And like same like this movie, I think most famous movie, guys, of our India, it's a Tumhar. Yes guys, Tumhar, it's a most famous movies, guys, in our India, in the Marathi industry, guys. Now this time. And guys, I see our Marathi industry's history after 10 years ago. I see some unique thing, guys, because now I see the Marathi industry movies now this year releasing the Dil Dhaka 2 and Navra Madha Nausata 2. And this movie was made I think 2007 and 2006. Yes, this time was he made this movie first part, and now this movie second part, Dil Dhaka 2 and Navra Madha Nausata 2, was releasing in 2024 and 2025. And I see this movie, guys, and I disappointed to watch these movies because guys, the first we watched the Dilakha 2 and Navara Mother Navasagar 2 is the most famous and most comedious movie in our India, in Maharashtra. But now guys, this movie I see the second part, I watched the second part, but I'm some disappointed because that fun and this craze was not generated to the Indian people. I watched the first movies, the first part. I was fully surprised because this comedy and this act is a brilliant act. But this time I watched this movie second part. Uh, this movie can't stand in our Maharashtrian audience because this comedy is the normal okay comedy guys, and this concept is also okay. But I see the Marathi industry's old movies. I think 10 years ago, the Marathi industry's movie guys is a brilliant guys, and main is target is the Maharashtrian audience, and main its category is the comedy category guys. And Marathi industry's comedy movies was so brilliant guys. I watched the Marathi industry movies. I think when I am around 4 years because I am also Marathi guys, and also I watched the Marathi movies, and Marathi movie is the brilliant guys. And some movies was created that's a brilliant guys. This concept like a Hollywood concept guys. Hollywood based concept was movie made by the Marathi industry, and that's a very famous movie guys. It's a Tumba and Patlela and Tata Vinsu, most famous movies guys in our Marathi industry. But now I see our Marathi industry movies now this time I some disappointed guys because some years ago Marathi industry what taste was the brilliant guys. But now I see the Marathi industry movie. He can't stand it audience in this power guys. Before the 2006 in Thevan's part of this Marathi movie industry was a brilliant guys, and that time he made some unique movies guys in our India, and that's my favorite movie guys. It's Agavai Aracha, my favorite movie guys, and that concept is the woman listen to the woman's what I call the heart feeling, and anywhere some here is the woman what he think in their mind. He know guys. He listen the who this lady what think and what's the talk in our what's the mind. He also guys listen, and it's a brilliant concept. You watch it's available on YouTube, and that's name is the Agavai Aracha. It's a brilliant movie of our Marathi industry, and some this unique type movie, some like this unique type movie also made in our Marathi industries in I think 50 and 10 years ago. And guys, I watch so many unique concept movies in our Marathi industry, and guys some unique and so many movies guys you will be surprised, and that's one of the most famous movie also is Tumbar. And see like this though so many movies was made by the Marathi audience, it's made by the Marathi industry. And guys you also watch the unique types of Marathi movies you watch in YouTube, also available in YouTube, and you watch the Marathi unique concept movies. You go and search the Google Marathi movies unique concept, and whatever you call that the unique concept and strange concept what you call, you put there, you have the list of so many movies to the Marathi industry was made the brilliant movie guys. And also name also is the Zapatlela, and horror movies also made is the Zapatlela, Tubad and Agavai Aracha, and so many brilliant movie guys was made by the Marathi industry. And you now go and check this movie, and I must prefer you to watch the this movie is the Tumar. I can't watch I not watch this movie, but I think it's the storyline was a brilliant guys. I never watch these movies. I try to watch this movie because I know I can't take the time to watch this movie. And guys, you watch also the Marathi industry best movie. You watch Tumbar, and my favorite movie is Agavai Aracha, and so many unique concept guys. And which actor movie you watch so much? Then I love the so many Marathi actors that movie. First is the Bharat Jadhav, second Siddharth Jadhav, Sanjay Narukar. These actors was made the unique concept and so comedy movie guys. And also is the Sachin Pilgaonkar, and so many was Marathi actor. And guys now also you watch the unique type of movie is also available in YouTube. And now guys we are going to the hall to watch the movie. And now guys we are going to the screen, the second screen of this theater. And guys now I come to this theater and like this scene of this theater.
And awaiting.
guys, it's a break time, and guys, it's a interval time, and now I come here, and guys, more than 20 people only come to see the Demon Slayer movie, and I watched the movie, and half movie was also was a fighting, guys, only fighting scene. Movie was start, then to half interval only fighting was continuous, no any story, no any good, no any, no anything, only fighting was continuously continue. And now I watch how it's going to this movie, and now it's interval time, and people was come to this area. There's more of 20 people was come here, and also guys, stay tuned in vlog. Now I see movie, and I give to the how it's the experience of this animation movie. So stay in my vlog. And guys, now finally we done our Demon Slayer movie, and how it's the experience. So I told you, but first that now gone was here. Now was go to the home because the rain is coming. So guys, welcome back in my vlog. So guys, now just watched to the Demon Slayer movie, and it's a Japanese movie, guys. And how it's the experience of this movie. So guys, I really told you this is my first experience of any anime movie I watch in a theater, and I never seen anime movies, guys. I first time to see the anime movie, and I never seen any time the anime movie, guys. And I think I watched the only Naruto movies, guys. The Naruto series. I watched only first season of the Naruto, and I never see and never watch any anime movie, guys. Never see. This is my first experience, and I see the movie. How it's my experience? The guy's experience was the brilliant, because I see this movie, and I now I focus on one thing. This movie is a Japanese movies, the Demon Slayer movies, and this movie used to the some Indian messages, Indian religious messages in his movies. Just take the some shloks and some words of the Mahabharata. That's dialogue used in his movies, and some dialogue it's the belief system, and like the Bhagavad Gita's words. It take the Bhagavad Gita's words and used to his movies, and he says some dialogue. Then I realized his dialogues I read in Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana. Then I clicked in my mind, this movie based in a Indian mythology and Indian mythology's culture. Used some part of Mahabharata, some part of Ramayana. When she told some dialogues, then I realized this dialogue I read in a Bhagavad Gita. He don't told clearly the Bhagavad Gita the shloks. He told in a dialogue. When he say the belief system and some Bhagavad Gita shlok in a different language, in a means a dialogue. Then I realized this some parts to take from the Bhagavad Gita. I see the only one anime, the Naruto, and I never seen, guys, any anime movies and any Japanese and Chinese anime. Never I seen. I watch only the Naruto movie, and this movie, sorry, Naruto series, the come in the our television. I watch only the Naruto series, and this Naruto movie is also based the Indian culture and Indian mythology. And then I realized this movie I watch, and he says some dialogues and say some lines in a dialogue, in a his dialogue. Then I realized he says the Bhagavad Gita some shloks and some that's lines in a dialogue. He not says clearly. When he says the belief system, inner parts, outer parts, so many dialogues he say. Then I realized these dialogues I listen in Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana. Then I will be surprised, guys, because he is a Japanese anime, and he used also Indian mythologies, some lines and some dialogues we listen in our Mahabharata and Ramayana. Then I think I watch only one movie of a Japanese anime to use the Ramayana and Mahabharata, some lines and some knowledge to get the Ramayana and Mahabharata and use to the anime. Then I realized the Japanese anime made the so many anime series and television shows. Then he used how many times used the Indian mythologies and Indian cultures, Ramayana, Mahabharata, and their thoughts used to the his on what series and television shows, anime shows. How many times he used? And I will be very surprised, guys, because he used some Mahabharata dialogue, some Ramayana dialogue, and not say the clearly. He says the hidden messages. When he see the bravery, when he see the inner power, when he says in a dialogue, then I realize. Now I watch the some Japanese anime. I never seen, guys. I never seen Japanese anime and Japanese series. This is my first time, and guys, the movie will be surprise to me, guys. Surprise to me, guys. And then I target to the watch some anime movies and some series. And I watched the Naruto movies in last year. Last year I watched the Naruto series, only first season. Then I very surprised, guys, because this Naruto series only based on the Indian mythology and Indian culture. And guys, now I repeat of this show because I truly surprised, guys. It's the best experience of my anime movie. And now my also experience, guys, it's the best anime movie, guys, and it's also the anime. It's also brilliant, guys. And guys, now how it's the my experience in this vlog and how it's your experience of this movie. So comment now. This vlog was now end here. And also, guys, how you like today's my vlog and how it's going my vlog. So also, guys, comment now and also like and subscribe this channel.